Good evening, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. Today I got a quick and easy recipe for you today. It's a fruit salad. It only has 5 ingredients in it, and this is what I'm fixing for dinner. So to go along with my dinner, I should say. And so I thought I would just come on and share this recipe with you, because it's very simple to mix up, and like I say, very few ingredients. Okay, let me tell you what you're gonna need. You're gonna need 4 to 5 bananas. You know, I get them ripe. Don't let them be overripe. Then you're gonna also need I think this is about a 20-ounce can of pineapple chunks in the juice. Do not drain the juice. The syrup or whatever you want to call it on there. Okay, you're gonna need 20 ounces of that, and then you're gonna need I think this is about a 15-ounce can of mandrill oranges. And now this, you're gonna drain the juice. Drain the juice on your mandrill oranges. And then you're gonna need, I think this is about, well, you can see what size it is. I think this is about the regular size and not a large size of maraschino cherries. Hope I'm pronouncing that right for you. Okay, and then you're gonna need 1 box, and I think this is about a 3.5 ounce box of Jello vanilla instant pudding. Make sure you get the instant pudding, Jello vanilla instant pudding. And then you're gonna need maybe about a 3 to 4 quart size of a bowl to mix it in, and just some spoons to mix it up. This is I've been making this dish for years, and have been giving this recipe out for years. And it's real easy, and it's a fruit salad, but it also tastes, it kind of got like a little thick, not a real thick, but the liquids that be in it is kind of like the consistency of a not an ice cream, because it's not that thick, but kind of creamy. It's not like a liquid juice in it. So okay, without any further delay, I'm gonna step off a minute and get all the ingredients ready, and then I'm gonna come back and show you how easy it is to mix up. Be right back. Okay, everybody, I'm back. So I got all my ingredients ready, and so we're gonna go ahead on and get the mixing. Normally it do kind of you should put it in a special order, but I always like put the bananas, then I go in, you know, I told you I put my pineapple juice in, my pineapple chunks with the juice. Just put all my little trash right over there in the sink, and here my mandarin oranges. Well, it made juice just sitting there, and kind of stir it around a little bit. Now let me tell you something about the cherries. Okay, my family love cherries, and so I just keep them whole. But when I take this dish out, a lot of times I slice the cherries up, and I always put my juice in there because I love that color that it gives. Okay, cherries in there. Kind of get it stirred. Now, if you need a large amount, this is just the size I normally fix for our family, and normally it's about 6 servings or better. I'm kind of stirring around, because when it's time for you to put this instant pudding in here, you're gonna need to kind of stir that, because it starts to thicken up. And I always just kind of make sure I don't just pour it in one big pour. I spreads it out. Just shake it around in there. Oh, it smells so good. You're gonna be surprised how, if you try this, how good it is and how simple it is. You're gonna find yourself just making it all the time. Okay, when you get that in, just start mixing. And I'm gonna try to show you the consistency of the liquids that's in here. And then, like I say, if you want to make it for a large crowd, you're taking it to a party, or you having guests over, instead of the 4 bananas, put like maybe 6, 8, and put 2 cans of the pineapple and 2 cans of the oranges, and then you can either get a larger box or put 2 boxes of the instant pudding. And you need to chill this in the refrigerator a few hours before you serve it, and that's gonna make the liquids in here even thicker. And see, it's a beautiful color. And if you don't think your family gonna eat it all that day, when you slice your bananas up, you can put you maybe about a tablespoon, slice them over in a tablespoon of lemon juice. That keeps the color to it. And I tell you something about the putting the lemon juice on the bananas. I like the flavor of it. Can you see how it's thickening? I tell you, you try this fruit salad, you will not be disappointed. It's refreshing, and I've had people that ask me, could they use this kind of fruit or whatever, and I told them, you know, try it, go for it, try it. And also I've had them to ask me, because they was a diabetic, once they tried it, they really liked it. Can you use this sugar-free Jello instant pudding? And I told her that, you know, if she tried, to let me know. And I seen the lady several years afterwards. I said, did you ever try that? Did you ever try the sugar-free? And how did it turn out? And she said, no, that was just so good, and it didn't bother with my levers I eat so much sugar-free stuff. She said, I just fixed that just like you had it, and that's the way I eat it. So I don't know how to taste with the sugar-free. Okay, that's it. The fruit salad is ready. I'm gonna put it in another container and put it in the refrigerator. And I really thank you and appreciate you coming on, watching me share this here little easy fruit salad for you. And like I told you, I plan on coming back with a whole lot of recipes, because I really have a lot of them. I have different salads and all that. And if you like fruit salads and different types of salad like that, because I fix a salad, it's called the Watergate salad. It's real nice, and there's several things in there that you can alter, because it has nuts in it. Everybody don't like nuts, but the salad itself is real good. And then I fix one similar to that. But just go down in the comment section and drop me a comment and tell me some of the types of salads that you like. And then if you try this salad, enter the recipes that I have shared with you. If you try them and if they turn out for you, let me know. Turn out good for you, let me know. I would like to know. And if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, share it, and I'll see you next time I make a video. Thank you for watching. Bye.